Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Bluetooth device not working on Windows 7 or Windows 10. So all you have to do is open the intel.com to download the drivers, the Bluetooth drivers. This is very important for you. So after you download it, keep it first, and let's start with the service. Here you can go to the system configuration and then click services and try to search Bluetooth service in here. This one. Make sure it's running, not stop. So if still, the problem still there, you can update the driver that I downloaded before. So all you have to do is just install this downloaded driver, and after that I hope the Bluetooth is on. So you can go to the Bluetooth and other devices here. So you can add device, add a Bluetooth device in settings. You can go to the settings button and add device. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.